Another day, another video for y'all, man. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all hit the like button, y'all hit the share button, and all that shit. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, turn on your notifications to all notifications. We are up here at Dorado Park right now for a field trip for my oldest daughter. I'm not sure what activities is going to go on today or what they're going to have them doing, but make sure y'all enjoy the video. Make sure y'all watch it all the way through. Spam that comment section, hit that like button, hit that share button. To all the parents, to all the guardians out here, to all the legal guardians out here, or whoever you may be, man, get involved with your kids and what they're doing at school. It'll go a long way with the children as far as them growing up and experiencing things. They're gonna remember stuff like this forever. I didn't have a father to go with me on field trips back when I was younger. I didn't have that in the household. I didn't have that in my life. So at least with me, that I'm in the position where I'm at right now, I'm able to do things like this. So took a personal day out. Got my automatic 8 hours for today. So I ain't tripping. I'm still getting paid for today, even though I'm not at work. So yeah. And maybe I needed this day off. I needed just to relax a little bit. Can't drink no beer up here. This is the white folks up here. They might call the police. But besides that, don't get it fucked up, y'all. I do drink Gatorade. I drink a lot of water. I do what I'm supposed to do. And yeah, man. So watch this video all the way through. Be prepared for all the shenanigans and activities that's going to go on throughout the day today. We're up here from 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So this video will be uploaded later on this afternoon. So make sure y'all stay prepared. Make sure y'all got y'all notifications turned on. And make sure y'all fully subscribe to the channel, man. See you guys right now. All right, you guys. Here we go. The bus is coming with all the little children and everything. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna see what activities is gonna go on today. And my daughter's gonna be very happy that she's gonna that I'm here today. She's been nagging me for the past 2 weeks, like, Dad, are you gonna come to the field trip with me? Are you gonna come? Are you gonna be there? Can you and Mom be there together and everything? I'm like, yeah, not a problem. And so happily, I had 8 hours of personal time. So yes, there go the old magic school bus right there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yep, there go the school bus. Bam. Shout out to all the bus drivers out here, man. Rather if you're a school bus driver or if you're a city bus driver, man. Shout out to all the bus drivers out here that's still working through this crazy ass times out here. Salute to y'all. If y'all didn't know, I got a Class A license, so I can drive buses without no passengers. Say if I need to go work on the bus or I need to go pick up one, it cannot be no passengers on there. It got to be bone dry, nobody in there, just only me. So just a little heads up if y'all didn't know that, man. But yeah, they go to match your school bus. Let me see if I can get that as a thumbnail. What's up? Say what's up. Hey. Hey. Say what's up. What they doing? I'm probably telling the kids to get in the single file line. That's them, right?
No, yeah, I think so. You know when the bus talks to you, the bus driver and shit, where they're gonna be and everything. Is that them? For real?
Hey, that thing got an AC unit on it, huh? I remember the buses that we had back in the day didn't have no AC.
Yes, it did.
No, not the Long Beach ones. What? What? What's over there? What's over there?
Look, Cece's coming, Mama.
Yep. That's where we at.
Oh, my God. Look at that shell.
Come on, Mama.
What the hell? Yeah, this is all different. It wasn't like this when we were little, huh?
I never came here before.
You never came here before?
Oh my God.
Well, that's what happens when you're sheltered. Let's see. Man, it's crazy. Look at that. Yeah, I remember this. Yeah, I remember this. 3rd grade. We were bad as hell. Teachers couldn't even handle us. Huh? I remember coming here, the teachers couldn't even handle us. That's how bad we were. All right, y'all. We back. We are back. That was one hell of a walk.
I know.
Oh, I haven't had that in a long time. Haven't had that in a long time, y'all. But it's lunchtime for all the kids out here. All the kids are. They're gonna eat and they're just gonna play for the whole time?
Yeah.
Come on. These are the kids have fun. Huh? That shit was one hell of a walk, y'all. But hit the like button, hit the share button, all that good stuff. Oh man. She got juice.
There's all the chemicals.
Oh man. Well, hell yeah, y'all. That was pretty fun. I haven't been up here since the 3rd grade. Yeah.
Oh, the cheese is nasty.
The what?
The cheese?
Yeah, that shit wasn't refrigerated. Usually they'll keep it in the ice chest. But yeah, I haven't been up here since the 3rd grade, y'all, but it was a good experience. I was a chaperone for all the damn bad kids up here.
I think when Ava goes to school, I want her to have Miss Alfonso. She's a nice teacher.
And she handled
these other ones are fucking mean.
And she handled that bullying situation. That's a good thing. A lot of teachers don't handle situations like that when it comes to kids bullying kids and shit like that. You know, this teacher that my daughter has, she handles those kind of situations. Yeah.
Mama, eat. You're not gonna eat?
That little boy that's bullying all the kids and everything, man. Yeah, he can be. Yeah, you can tell at an early age who's gonna be what.
He's gonna be like those.
Yeah.
Wanna be and shit. Try to see if she wants some.
What?
Nobody, you want nachos?
She just wants to play.
The Cece's over there. You can tell right away when he gets older.
Not be mean, y'all.
The parents gonna be a hard time with him.
Wasn't his parent up here, I think? No? That's crazy. That's what happens when these young boys, babe, they grow up in households like this with no father. That's just the sad reality of it. I say it every time.
Yeah.
It's just a sad reality. Oh, it's a good snack to eat. Shit.
Only 9 parents came out
Out of
all the kids.
Damn. Shit, hell no. You saw they was in the rush to send their kids back to school. You remember that? How bad of a rush they wanted their kids to go back to school?
Oh. Nevaeh!
Where is she?
Right over there.
Where?
Right there, look.
Where?
Right there. You don't see her little feet? Nevaeh!
Jasmine don't even want to be bothered with Nevaeh. That's messed up.
No, because she's with her kids. With her kids. With her friends. Nevaeh! Nevaeh!
I got to go get her. That's crazy.
Hmm?
Yep. Look at the bus again.
Hmm?
Look at the bus. That's crazy, y'all. Let's keep this going. I think that's it for today's video, you guys. After this, all they're gonna do is the kids are gonna go wild and playing over here right now. And I guess until we go home. Yeah, they're gonna eat right now and then they're gonna play. So there's no point in me recording a bunch of kids playing and acting all rowdy and everything. So I'm gonna leave it right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video all the way through. And once again, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and all that YouTube shit. I'll see you guys on the next one.